Can you have your full stop? Full stop? Full stop? Good. What's the next word? Agile. Agile. Can you say it one time? Agile. Agile. It means able to move quickly and easily. Be quick, fast. Okay? Both physically or mentally. You can be fast runner or fast thinker. Okay? Agile. I'll show you the Korean meaning. It's like this. So this is the mentally part. Be a good thinker or to be fast. Alright? You could say one or two. Right? 민첩한 or 명민한. Do you understand what it means? Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. No, not sure. Let's write down. 민첩한 means to be fast, be quick. And now we have to think of a sentence about being fast, being quick. Are you fast? Are you a fast runner?
I urge you to the swim.
You're a good swimmer, so I am an agile swimmer. I am an agile swimmer. Like that. It's not so much, like athletes do, but you swim. I am an agile swimmer. You like to swim?
Yes.
You must be very
Today is school is go to 연천 sports school and 생존 swim.
So after this, you're going to swim.
Maybe I go to the bedroom.
Okay, we'll do one more.
Oh.
Is it urgent? You have to really, really go? And now I have to stop the video. Let's see. Alright, I'll just stop the video and you can go to the bathroom.